In the Bronze Age mythology, which is the basic mythology of antiquity, as I said earlier, the lion is associated with the solar image. Now, the moon dies into the sun every month and is born from it again. So the sun is the mother of the moon. In this mythology, the moon is masculine and the sun feminine. This hangs on in German, where you say der Mond, die Sonne, masculine moon, feminine sun. In French, you have the other mythology of the masculine sun and feminine moon, le soleil and la lune. This is one reason we have world wars. These two totally different consciousnesses. Totally different. And so here we have the lion associated with the sun, the source of all the energy and life in the world. Now in Egypt, with respect to Isis, she is the throne on which the pharaoh sits. She is the support. The pharaohs come and go, but she is there. And so also in the Byzantine Madonnas, she's not the nursing mother that she is in the Italian tradition. She sits there and the little Christ child is on her knee as the world emperor. You see, it's the woman as the ground base. That's good old Bronze Age thinking. Then the king becomes associated with the sun and the lion in either case, either as the child of the mother goddess and her lions, or as the solar god himself, so that the lion becomes associated with kingship. And the lion is the ruling animal, and in all the animal fables, it's King Lion, you know, in the Aesop's fables and all.